Another very important concept when working with AutoCAD is the concept of undoing and redoing one or more commands. The undo and the redo, we can work with it in several ways, and it's important to understand exactly each of the concepts. We will create now a line, and for that I'm executing the line command, and I can do a line. Now, as I've done one command, I can go back. So I can undo the command. I can go here and simply click on the arrow, and the command is undone. And when one command is undone, it can be redone, or we can move forward again, because I may understand that, oh, in fact, I made a mistake. I want to recover it. So redo. Okay. So the concept of undo and redo is like this. We can move back or forward, depending on what we want. And this moving back and forward, it has no limits. Okay. You can undo everything or redo everything. Depends. There are a couple of uh, concepts also that you can in fact undo until the last save, because before that it's not important because it's already saved. So you can undo everything. The other important idea is that, again, with the line command I can create one line. It is done, and I continue to draw lines. So I will draw another line, and I can continue with this. But we can see that inside the options we have undo. And when we have the undo options inside one command, it will go back one step on the command. So clicking, and it, it will undo my last line, not the full command. And now I close it. So the two levels for working with the undo, it is we can undo commands, and we can undo also operations inside the command, and this is very common. Many of the AutoCAD commands have this undo possibility inside. So these are basically the two levels. One more important idea, it is the possibility when we start to have operations, you see that I can go back not only one command each time, but I can decide that I want to go back until a certain point. Okay, so instead of simply make one time the undo, I can undo several times. Okay, and basically regarding, there are a few other options, but I think this is the important concept to understand this undoing and redoing a command.